Catherine, I so appreciate you joining me today for this little case study. And I think you have such a unique case study because your trajectory and your outcome hasn't been quite like a lot of people that we talk to on these interviews. Yours is a little different, and I'm excited for everyone to hear about that because, we're all different, and sometimes our paths are a little bit different, and sometimes our outcomes are a little bit different. Our lifestyle design can be a little bit different, and that's okay. We're not all out of a box, right? We don't all
Right.
have the same dreams and desires. So super excited for you to tell your story to everyone.
Right. Glad to
Um,
be here.
awesome. And tell us kind of where you came from. Start us out there. What's your nursing background? What was your specialty area? And then how'd you end up stumbling into legal nurse consulting and finding us at Catalyst?
Right. Well, I've been a nurse for 35 years now, and I've pretty much touched on every aspect of nursing throughout the continuum and beyond. Started off in labor and delivery, which I hated because I'm an ICU personality,
Fair.
and did that, did inpatient, did outpatient, ran ICUs, worked at a large HMO in California for many years. And then my family and I moved up to Idaho, and I worked for a community health center for several years through COVID. And I was just looking for something more. Our family had some health issues going on. So it was decided that it would be best if I could have a career path that allowed me more flexibility. I had looked at legal nursing in the past, and like so many people, thought that it was mostly expert testimony,
Yeah.
and which I am not qualified for because I'm a jack of all trades, master of very few. I have a writing business on the side, so I thought that something like this would be interesting. I heard about Catalyst through Nursepreneurs. I know the owner there, and I knew that if she had you on her program, she's very, very particular, and that if she had you on her program, that she had already vetted your program. And so it was, call it the universe, the Holy Spirit, whatever you call it, was just telling me this is what you need to look into. So I talked to my husband about it, jumped on a call with you, and in February of 2024, I joined.
I love it. And Katie is great. I love her. And you're right. She vets, and we're the only legal nurse consulting firm she's ever put her name behind, which is a huge honor to me. And I'm
Yes,
happy to hear that mattered to you because she's a great person.
yes.
Tell us a little bit about some of the successes that you've had. And I know this is kind of where it gets exciting for me because I love your successes. I love your life. I think you just have a great life. So tell us some of the successes that you've experienced as you walk through Catalyst.
I would say that some of the success is I love learning new things.
Mm.
And about every 3 to 4 years within my nursing career, I have almost like 180 switched my nursing career. Talk about from labor and delivery to ICU to triage to informatics to policy and procedure writing, all of that.
Mm.
So with coming into Catalyst, the program was so comprehensive, and the content was so interesting. The legal information and the world of law is a completely new language. So I loved learning all of those aspects and jumping into my community. I joined the Women Lawyers of Idaho group,
Oh yeah.
and I participate in their education events, and it's just fascinating because it's a completely different world. So that's been a lot of fun and surprising.
That's really cool. And how, I know it, I think you kind of slow rolled it, right? You didn't get through your practice cases and start actually subbing for a little while. How long did it take you from start with all life and trips and travel and
Yes,
grandbabies? How long did it take you to
right.
get through your practice cases?
It took me about what did I calculate it? Six months, I believe.
That's not
And
too.
when I met with you and you said, okay, you have a writing career, you're used to writing content and programs and all this stuff, but this this is going to be harder than you think it is. And you were so right. And so many people within our community have voiced that, saying that, I think, oh, okay, I know nursing, I know all this stuff. And the process of breaking down the medical record to tell the patient or the claimant's story, it's different than anything you've ever done. And so as I got into it, and I was still working full time when I initially started, and eventually I was able to quit my job and do the studying full time. But I loved being able to still work that into my life and my personal life. So that was important to me. I needed something that I could do on my own time. I know there's a lot of people who just jump in and they're able to get through the content, and that's wonderful. But I had to work it in between all the nooks and crannies of my life, and it worked well. It did. I was frustrated with myself for not going faster, but in the end, it worked out how it was supposed to work out.
No, I love that, because it's like, it's not cookie cutter, right? I mean, everybody's life isn't the same. Some people can get in here and put 40 hours a week toward learning this new craft, and they can go move faster. Other
Right.
people like you had a lot going on in that time. I mean, there's been a lot in the last year. You've done a lot, you've experienced a lot, you've had additions to your family. Like, it's been a big year for you. And to move slower is fine, because here you are, you're very successful. Now, when you finished your third practice case, how long did it take you before you started subcontracting, before you got that first paid case?
Oh, within a couple of weeks, I
Okay.
was picking subcontracting, and it was interesting because, and this is a testament to the program, because two different times when I answered ads on people on Facebook forums and things like that, or email forums saying, hey, my company is looking for contract workers, two different times, just by submitting my practice cases, I was offered a job. So right before I finished my third practice case, I had answered an ad on Facebook, and the person wanted to hire me full time. And at that time, I was like, well, no, I don't want to work full time for someone else. I want to build my own business. And so I declined the offer. But I think it's a great testament to the work product that we're trained to produce, on how professional it looks, how comprehensive it is, that just by submitting that work, people wanted to hire me.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. And I think we were actually chit-chatting about this, that there's there's some people come into it and just sort of think, I paid money for it, it's just going to be given to me. And we were talking before we went live on this call that it doesn't work that way, right? It takes work, and you
Correct.
put in a lot of work to get to where
Yes.
you are. And now you've actually decided to work full time for a firm, right? Tell us
Yes.
about
Yes.
that.
Yes. So that was a surprise to myself also. I had answered a Facebook query about a company needing contract workers. And as I spoke with a person who was kind of recruiting colleagues to the company, she said, well, would you consider taking a full-time position? And I thought, well, no. But I was really at the point in my building my business where I needed to be marketing really hard. And it's possible, you tell us exactly how to do it. And if we follow the blueprint, it's foolproof. I'll say it's foolproof. It's work and it's time, but it's foolproof. And I'm an introvert. Now, I don't mind presenting to hundreds of thousands of people. It doesn't bother me at all. I love teaching, but that one-on-one social stuff is harder for me. And so I was really not looking forward to hitting the streets and getting out and schmoozing with lawyers, even though it was fascinating and they're great people to work with. I was at that point where that's what I needed to do to build my business. And so when this full-time job came along with a risk management company, it was kind of like, again, the Holy Spirit or the universe telling me, this is the job for you, because I needed something that allowed me to work from anywhere in the world, where I could go down and help my daughters with their babies and work from remote locations, and whatnot. So it it came up and it worked for me, and it's been perfect for me. Yeah, it's been a really great. So I wasn't intending to take a full-time job. I was intending to build my own business, and I've done that in the past. I've created a nurse leader mastermind. I've done all the online. I've done web creation. I've done all of that stuff, and nobody works harder than an entrepreneur.
Yeah.
And so I knew that I could do that. But this was just the best answer for me at this time.
Well, Catherine, you're going to be successful at whatever you do. I think you've got what it takes. What were some of the challenges, the things you were facing in your life or in your work life before you decided to take this turn toward legal nursing and go through Catalyst and land this position you have now? What were you facing before that?
I would say the biggest challenges I was facing was being in the nursing world. And when you know a lot, you want to share that knowledge. And not everybody's always open to new ideas and changes and bringing things along to like evidence-based medicine and whatnot. So I found myself professionally frustrated at times because I knew the right thing to do, and wasn't allowed to do it because I didn't own the company. I wasn't the CEO. And so I found it professionally frustrating and unsatisfying at times to be working for. And I've worked for really big companies and I've worked for really small companies, and the level of frustration can be the same no matter where you are. And I was just to the point where my husband had some health issues, and I needed the flexibility. I needed to be able to work a job around and have income around my life versus the opposite.
Right.
So it was really important for me to find something where I could start building my own plan, my own business.
And going through Catalyst, I know you were talking about it being comprehensive and it kind of gives you everything you need to be successful. But if you could say the one or two things that stood out most to you that really helped you achieve your goals, what would that be? What would be the one or two things?
I would say it's the community of people. Absolutely. So the program is there, the content is there, the how-to, the videos, the step-by-step, the templates, all of that is there. But to have a team of like-minded people cheering you on from the side, or if you had frustrations, if you had questions, I never put anything into that chat that I didn't get an immediate, numerous responses from, or other people putting information into the chat. I would learn from their mistakes or from their questions. But the community of support from the Catalyst program, that was absolutely essential to like spurring me on to get things done and to not quit, and to see how hard other people work at it and struggle, and yet they're successful. So it was key.
I love that because the one sure way you're going to fail is to quit. And
Yes.
you continue to work at it. And it's so much easier when you've got, like you said, 100 people plus behind you, helping you, pushing you, and you can see their successes and their failures, and you're not in it
Yes.
alone. We hear that all the time. That's almost always one of the top one or two things that help people achieve their goals in Catalyst. So I love that you mentioned it. And then my favorite question of all, how has this whole journey impacted your life outside of work? Because we talk a lot about lifestyle design and Catalyst, and it's not just about more money or more power or whatever, right? It's about really designing that life you want. So how has this changed your life outside of business and work?
I love working from home. So I love being able to be home most of the time. I love the flexibility. Now that I have this education, I'm so much more marketable for the next venture that I want to take. But most importantly, I can be available to my family and work my work around my family's needs. And that's what makes me happy. So just so much more peace and happiness. And the company I'm with now, we all work remote. And so there's no drama, there's no politics. And so my life is so much simpler. You know, I don't lead a team of people, even though they were wonderful. It's simpler, and I can focus on, you know, I pick a word of the year every year. And this year, my word is happiness. And it really, truly has come true because I took that leap to try something new and to, you know, turn the page on the next chapter in my nursing career.
Yes. And I don't know if you mind me asking you this or not, but I think your upcoming trip is pretty exciting. Would you mind sharing that with everyone? Because I think that's a trip like, who gets to do that?
Yes, yes. So we're going back to Africa. We're going to go in the end of May. We're heading to Nairobi, Kenya. We'll do safari and the elephant orphanage, which is amazing. And then we're going out to Rwanda to hike with the mountain gorillas. So a little bit terrified, but super excited. So we're taking a couple of the kids with us, and it's going to be epic, trip of a lifetime. So we have a new motto since my husband's health scare this past year. It's eat the cookie, drink the good bourbon, and take the trip, because tomorrow's not guaranteed, right?
True.
So
That's true.
yeah, gotta live your life.
And you talked about how you took the jump, and that can be scary for a lot of people. And sometimes you got to take that jump, you got to take that risk, calculated, smart. Don't just don't just jump out without any idea of if it's going to work. But you took this calculated risk in Catalyst, and it's really changed your life. If somebody's watching this right now and they're going, I don't know if I should do this. I don't know if legal nursing's right. I don't know if Catalyst, if I can trust them. What would be your thoughts to them?
I would say that you have to kind of dig deep, first of all, to know if legal nurse consulting is for you and your personality, because it is a lot of medical record review. It's a lot of writing reports. It's being very detail oriented. And some people, that's just not their bailiwick. So you have to know yourself very well. I was looking for a turnkey program. I wanted something that led me step by step template. Here's exactly how you do it. I did some research, and I did see that there's other programs out there that you can piecemeal it, and you can take a course here, a course there. Honestly, most of those people, I see them posting on the different forums that now they're looking for a mentor. And with Catalyst, we got all of that. We got the how-to, the turnkey. The website creation through Amplifier has been incredible. Like I said, I've built several websites, and they're so painful to maintain and so expensive to have everything pulled in. And so to have that as an option where I was able to create my own website with, you know, little assistance, but assistance there if I needed it, and have it look professional and wonderful, you know, that's been well worth it. So for me, I wanted something that was a total package, and you get out of it what you put into it. So it was, the total package was there, and I could dig as deep as I wanted or make excuses and not get things done. But I'm very, very happy with the program. And again, having presented my sample work and 2 different times being offered a position right then and there based on my sample work, I think that speaks volumes.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much. And thank you for sharing your story with everyone. I love your story. I love the uniqueness of, you know, just doing life while you're making big changes, and then where you ended up. You know, you ended up where you belong, where it's right for you. And like I said, it's not cookie cutter for everyone, right? So I love that you have a little bit different story, and I can't thank you enough for sharing it. If anyone wants to learn more about you and your business or get in contact with you, what's the best way for them to find out more?
On LinkedIn, Catherine Berger, Burger, like Burger King. And, or I also have Burger Legal Nurse as my website. So welcome to go on there, take a look. Take a look at what the Catalyst website template, one of the templates, you have many choices, what that can look like with very easy push buttons. But yes, feel free to reach out.
Awesome. Well, thank you again, Catherine. It's been my pleasure to talk with you, and I so appreciate it.
Thank you, Randy.